Well, we've been waiting for Tim Sweeney to whisper these sweet words for quite a while, but it finally happened. And Unreal Engine 5 is finally released, and that is a way bigger deal than you might realize. So unless you've been living under a particularly heavy rock, you've probably heard that Unreal Engine 5 is coming out. And you have also probably already seen that amazing demo that Epic originally put out, showcasing exactly what kind of insane and realistic worlds this new engine can create. And after months of development and more showcases showing off exactly what this engine is capable of, Unreal 5 is finally here. And with it, a whole bunch of new features that developers can start using right now. The engine can now support way more complex geometry, way high quality textures, and much bigger worlds, plus tons of other new or improved features, like for example Lumen, Epic's lighting and global illumination technology, allowing for some of the most realistic lighting we have ever seen in computer graphics. And of course there's a lot of other stuff, but I guess if you're interested in all of that, then well, here's some of the patch notes, I guess. So at this point you're probably wondering, why enough am I boring you to death with all of this information? Most of you probably don't care about what kind of engine your game runs on as long as the final product looks and plays well. But there has been a lot more to this release than the final version of Unreal 5 finally going public. One of the most exciting sections from the entire State of Unreal event, where the engine was officially announced and released, was a showcase of all the developers who are now working on Unreal 5 games. And there have been some pretty big names there. Probably the biggest announcement actually came a few days before the release from CD Projekt Red, because they announced that the next Witcher game is in development and is being made in Unreal 5, with the studio moving away from the beloved in-house Red engine. I wonder if that has anything to do with the fact that the engine left behind more bugs in Cyberpunk 2077 than an entomology convention. Plus, another big announcement came from Crystal Dynamics, who announced that they are working on a brand new Tomb Raider game also in Unreal 5. But it's not just all of those amazing games you should be excited for. There's also one other key reason why this will benefit you, and that's because, well, over the past few years we were really treated to a lot of APIs and other really great proprietary technologies for our games. Just think of stuff like ray tracing, direct storage, DLSS, FSR, XCSS, Auto HDR. That's a lot of stuff. But the actual rollout of those features into games has been a lot slower than what a lot of us expected. But the release of a major new iteration of Unreal gives the industry the opportunity it needed to basically just calm down for a second and consolidate all of that new and awesome tech, so that you as the final player gets to experience the game in its best possible state. And that's all without even mentioning the fact that this will not only benefit the huge game studios out there, it can probably benefit you as well. Because right now, Epic has given you even more tools at your disposal to create some pretty awesome and neat stuff just on your home PC. So yes, the release of Unreal 5 is a pretty big deal, and I cannot wait to see what the industry will use this for in the future. Because looking at what it's capable of, well, I think we're about to enter a new big era in gaming. But let me know what you think of all of this down in the comments below. But hey, if you're still here and you didn't find this video too boring, maybe consider checking out my Patreon down in the video description below, because even just $1 singular a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks to go along with it. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons Gavin Burns, Ryan OKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Woolcroft, Lance B, and Jesse Hubman. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down there you're also going to find our merch store, our Discord server if you can talk to me or over this or whatever really, plus down there's our social media links as well. But anyway, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.